Hey, what's going on? Bob, John, you guys doing okay? Yeah, okay. See you guys next week. Hey, good morning everybody. Today we're headed to Thammasat University to check out the largest urban rooftop farm in Asia. And I like to travel pretty fast, so let's go ahead and go. We're in the elevator. This is a special kind of elevator. Like I said, I like to travel pretty quick. So here we go. Okay. Oh, we're here already. Look at that. That was pretty fast. I like to do something called time travel once in a while. So yeah, we're here. That took about 3 seconds. I really enjoyed that. Okay, let's go out. Hello.
Hi. Are you done?
I think I'm done already. Got here fast. So I've made it here to Thammasat Rangsit University, and I'm sitting here on Asia's largest rooftop farm. It's more of a green space, but the whole idea here is to combat climate change. And as you can see over here, I'm actually standing on top of a roof of a building. I'm probably around 12 stories high right now, I take a guess, but everything up here is very green. So before, this was a big concrete jungle right here, this building, and they've taken it and they've added all types of vegetation, crops, a whole load of different things, different types of species of trees right here, and it's just a nice little walkway here. What a great way to cool everything down. So I'm gonna keep walking. So this whole concept is pretty interesting. It's kind of an all-in-one solution as a public green space, urban organic food source, water management system, energy house, and outdoor classroom all in one. So what's really cool here up on the rooftop, the green roof, yeah, the rooftop. So another aspect that's really cool here is the terraces that you see, like something you'd see in Bali. They not only absorb the rainfall, they really cut down on the runoff of rain. So if you have a concrete structure, like a roof, it's 20 times more likely to run off the water than when you have something like this. So it really kind of contains the water, helps the plants grow, cools down the environment. I think that works pretty well. Yeah. And a couple more thing I want to say. I'm out of shape, I think. Okay, I'm gonna keep going. Okay, let's go over the process. First, it rains. Second, the water is collected in the rice tiers. Third, this allows the soil and nutrients to remain in each tier, providing better growth for the plants in agriculture. Fourth, the excess water is funneled to one of 4 retention ponds, and then that water is reused to irrigate the crops for the future. 5, this is basically a cycle that repeats itself again and again. Hey, we got a turtle right there. Hey, buddy. He's actually looking right at me. How are you? I've fallen off like 4 times trying to film this. What do we think about this angle? So technically, this is something that you would see if all this vegetation was not here, a regular rooftop right there. But if you come just over here on the other side, I'm now about 15 stories up. You can see it's all green. Completely amazing, refreshing. They have, I don't know, about 10 different people, landscape people working on the grounds here. And you just have a lot of different types of vegetation. Just a real clear vision of a possible future of what you could do with all these big concrete buildings on top to kind of cool everything down. As you can see right here, it's as green as far as you can see right here, which is really cool. I'm gonna go straight over here. I walked to the top. It was maybe 5 minutes, maybe 8 minutes to the top. Like I said before, this is a major university here. It is about 40 minutes north of Bangkok. Hello, Sawadee Crab. Sawadee my crab. Oh, Ron Mock Cup. So you're probably wondering what we talked about. I said, hey, what are you guys doing Friday? You want to go clubbing? And they were like, yeah, sure. What time? No, not really. I just said, hi, how are you? It's hot outside. Let's keep moving. Let's take a little time and check out Thammasat Rangsit University. And then let's get back to the green roof. So in the morning, I got here a bit early and I asked the motorbike drivers where this place was, and they had no idea. Turns out it was like 100 feet from the motorbike stop. We're gonna take a little walk up to the top. Follow me. So before I was talking about the process, the 5 steps. After the water goes into the retention ponds, the water needs to go back up and be circulated back around the crops so everything is irrigated. Here at Thammasat University in the Green Roof Project, they've managed to do this by using solar panels. So by using the solar panels and the sun, this provides all the power they need. So one of the aspects of this whole structure that's so cool is, as you can see straight ahead here, they've made a lot of classrooms and meeting rooms on the inside. So the students here, after they're studying in the classroom, they'll go up top and they'll actually look at the different species of plants and bushes, trees like that. So the people who are studying biodiversity or agriculture, they can really get their hands dirty. I'm pretty sure this place needs more motorbikes. I actually am looking down the street and I cannot see the end of the motorbikes. There has to be like 500 motorbikes right here. And if you go that way, I don't know. Never seen so many. Hey, just want to kind of close it out here. Thanks so much for watching the video here, traveling on the go. If you have any questions, any comments, put them down below. Please subscribe if you can. I would love it. And also, I will go almost anywhere you want me to go. So give me some ideas and I will go film it. Take care. See ya.